Yes, good morning, children. So let's revise the topic, lesson number 6. Rules are for everyone. In our last video, we learned about some rules, changes in the rules for the society, and some rules the rules for prohibition against loudspeaker in public places after 10 o'clock at night. So that we learn. So today we are going to learn about the protecting our environment. You know, our protecting, we have to protect our environment. So just as a law are necessary to maintain equality and justice in the society, laws are also required for protection of the environment. You know, our environment is very helpful to us, all the living being, plants and animals that live in the environment, and always that we need always clean air or fresh air from the environment. So we should have to protect the environment, है ना. उसके लिए भी रूल्स बनाए हैं कि भी कचरा जो है, जो कि हम लोग जो गार्बेज है, we should have to throw in the dustbin. Don't spoil the environment, don't spoil the surrounding. It creates a lots of diseases and that is harmful for all the living beings. So for that we should have to protect our environment. So we are dependent on nature in many ways. So most of our needs are fulfilled by nature, है ना. We get fresh air from nature, we get fruits and vegetables from nature, we get fresh water from nature, and we get lots of things from the nature. Nature is our friend. So we should have to protect the environment. Natural resources should be available in enough quantities. We know the natural resources are very much important part of our life. So they are available in enough quantities. We should have to save for our future. So for the needs of our future generations, therefore we must conserve these natural resources. We must use them very carefully. So that is protecting our environment. So it is a very important part. We depend on nature. So laws are required for protection of the environment. If different government has made some different laws to protect the environment, there is need to conserve natural resources for our posterity or future generation. Okay, so some laws, you have to find out the laws and collect the information about various laws, that law for protection of the environment. Okay, children. So in this lesson, we learn various things. Okay, now let's revise a question answers or exercise from this lesson. First question is filling the blanks. First one is, our society works according to certain dash. The answer is rules. Once again, I am repeating the answer. Our society works according to certain rules. Then second, the Constitution of Independent India has abolished untouchability. Answer is untouchability. The Constitution of Independent India has abolished untouchability. Answer. Then third one, wrong customs and traditions cause the neglect of some sections of society. Wrong customs and traditions cause the dash of some sections of society. Answer is neglect. Okay, answer is neglect. Then fourth one is dash, the rules leads to punishment. Disobeying. Answer is disobeying the rules leads to punishment. Then fifth one is, we cannot change the laws of nature. We cannot change the laws of nature? Answer is nature. Okay. Then answer in one sentence. First question is dash, why are rules made? Why are rules made? So the answer, the rules are meant for everyone. Sorry, why are the rules made? The answer is rules are made to specify duties and responsibilities for every person. Okay, rules are made to specify duties and responsibilities of everyone. So that is the answer. Then next question is, which values have been a part of our social life since ancient times? Which values have been a part of our social life since ancient times? So the values of non-violence, okay, and peace have been a part of our social life since ancient times. The values of non-violence and peace have been a part of our social life since ancient time. Then next question is, what are the big obstacles in our society? What are big obstacles in our society? So poverty, okay? Poverty and lack of education are the big obstacles in our society. Poverty and lack of education are the big obstacles in our society. So this is the question. Then next question is, why do we follow traffic rules? It's an important question. You should know. We follow traffic rules so that the traffic moves smoothly. And to avoid an accident, we should have to follow the traffic rules. Okay. We follow traffic rules so that the traffic moves smoothly and it can prevent accidents also. Okay. Then next question is, state one law of nature. One law of nature means the regular rising and setting of sun is one law of nature. You can write anything. One law of nature, okay? The regular rising and setting of sun is one of the law of nature. Phases of moon you can write. Okay, different phases we see in the sky. That is the phases of moon every day. The moon changes its size. It is also an example of one law of nature. Season changes also one of the law of nature. Okay. Then the next question, answer in short. Which unjust customs have been banned by law? Which unjust customs have been banned by law? So the unjust custom, that is of sati, jo pratha thi sati, and child marriage have been banned by law. The unjust customs of sati and child marriage have been banned by law. Then another one is the custom of asking for dowry has also been banned by law. Then the use of magic for cheating people has been banned in Maharashtra. The use of magic for cheating people has been banned in Maharashtra. Okay. Then next question, why do we need to make laws for protection of the environment is also very much important. Why do we need to make laws for the protection of the environment? So the question answer is, we need to make laws for the protection of the environment because most of our needs are fulfilled by nature. Okay, most of our needs are fulfilled by nature. Then there is need to conserve natural resources as the same should be available in enough quantity for our future generations. Okay, these are the question answers. Then next question is, what are our good customs and traditions? Good customs and traditions means we celebrate various festivals together and are hospitable to the guests who visit us. Then we maintain a balance of nature and express gratitude towards animals. Okay, these are our good customs. Then next question is, what are the advantages of following rules? One is our day-to-day life becomes discipline, है ना? Rules follow करने से हमारी life होती है that we maintain a discipline. Then traffic moves smoothly when we follow traffic rules. Similarly, we can work efficiently by following the rules. Okay. Then next question is, give reason for the following statement. Equality is the basis of rules. Why we follow equality? Answer is, rules are meant for everyone and apply equally to all. No one is above the rules as there is no discrimination in application of rules. There is no discrimination in punishment for breaking the rules. In this sense, equality is the basis of the rules. Okay. Then the laws of nature are constant and fixed. You know, the law of nature is constant and fixed. Why? So answer is, natural occurrence like sunrise and sunset takes place without change according to the law of nature. कुछ भी होता है मतलब no change in sunrise and sunset. जो है चाहे कुछ भी हो गया चाहे तो sunrise होगा ही, sunset होगा ही. So no change in the nature's law. Then we cannot change the rule of nature. It's a nature's rule. Then the law of nature never become outdated. It never outdated. Then in this sense, the laws of nature are constant and fixed. Okay. Then the rules of the society are not constant and fixed. It's the opposite to this. Rules of society are not constant and fixed. Means we make as well as change in the rules of society. कोई rules follow करते, कोई rules follow नहीं करते. Every time the rules are change in the society. So the rules of society tend to become outdated. कोई rules outdated हो जाते हैं, है ना? Then there is a constant need to update the rules of society to meet the needs of changing circumstances. Okay, according to situation, we have to follow the rules, we have to make the rules. Then it is unjust, next question, it is unjust to discriminate between boys and girls. Injustice hota hai when you discriminate in between boys and girls, it is unjust. Why? So answer is, some parents discriminate between their sons and daughters. होता है कई कई जगह पे जो parents है वो जो they give a good education to boy rather than the girl. Girls are not get a good quality of education. So it's our duty. No discrimination takes place between girls and boys. अगर आपको कहीं पे दिखता है ऐसे होता है तो you should stop that. They deprive their daughters of good food. ये भी होता है. They prevent them from going to the school. As equality is the basis of social rules, it is unjust to discriminate between boys and girls. That should not be happen. Okay. Then next question. There is a large scale poverty and illiteracy in India. You know, the wrong customs and traditions led to neglect of a large section of the Indian society. These neglected sections were denied access to education and opportunities for development. Then these sections did not have the means of livelihood for want of education. Therefore, there is a large scale of poverty and illiteracy in India. Okay, so this is the question answers. Then answer orally in one sentence. These are very important question answers. So answer in one sentence or one word. So question is, how will your parents react if you do not do your homework? These are the homework question answers. Then what was the reform work of Mahatma Phule? You should know this. Then which social obstacle did Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar try to overcome? These are some oral question answers. So you should know the answers. So please write down these answers. And when activity is given, make a list of rules you follow in the following situations. Okay, so this is also homework. One is at the time of the school assembly, which rule you follow. So please note down the answer in your copy. Then during the lunch break, which rules you follow, write down. Then on the playground, and fourth one in the school library. Okay, so this activity you have to do it. I'm going to write these answers, questions on the board. So please note down. Okay, so these are this activity you have to write down about the which rules you follow in the following situations, that is the homework. Okay, so please note down this, and next video we will